Hello everyone, so today we will be seeing how we can solve the first order differential equation using the Euler method. So basically we know the formula that yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of x comma y. So this formula, when we will see the equation, we will be taking it as y dot is equal to x plus y. So here it will be y plus h into x plus y. So this is the formula we will be getting. So this we will discuss in the other upcoming slides. So let's see. So what are the steps? First you design the initial value and then step size, and then we will be iterating the formula. So this is the equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y. So x, first we are taking it as 0, initial guess value y is equal to 1, and the time step we are taking it as 0.1. So taking this, we will be implementing it in the Euler's formula. So this is basically the Euler formula which we discussed before. So we will be writing it as y is equal to y plus h into x plus y, and similarly for the x we will be writing it as x plus h. So this is what our target is. So let's get started. Equation what we had decided was dy by dx is equal to x plus y. So this is the equation which we will be solving. Here I will be commenting it. So let's get started. So first we will define the header files, and then using namespace std, and then since we are going to save it in our GNU Plot, so we will be writing it as hashtag include fstream, and then we will be writing here the main body. So now first we will define the constant, so double, as we had defined in the PPT. So that we will be defining our constants here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and h is equal to, I'm taking the 0.1. Okay, so now we will be doing it as off stream file. So here I want to save it that as Euler.dat. So here I will be marking here and here as this. Here also y is equal to 1. This column thing causes a lot of issues. So here I am using double. Double is basically better than int. That is what I want to try. And now we'll be writing as a for int for loop. We will be using I is equal to 0, I is less than is equal to 10, I plus plus, and then writing here as file. So here we will be saving our whatever the output we get of the equation, that we will be saving in here, which is basically the file is basically saving it in the Euler.dat, which will make us easy to plot the graph. So file x, and then y, and then cout, just basically to see x and y. So here I will be writing the capital X just for my understanding, and then we will be writing it as y and l. So this is how we will be writing in here as this. Here also I will be writing it as and l. So now we have done. So now we will be mentioning our Euler equation what we had discussed in our PPT. So semicolon, and now we will be writing in here as y is equal to y plus h into x plus y. So that is what we will be writing in here, and here x is equal to x plus h. So that is what the update we will be writing here. Euler method, and here also we will be writing here as Euler. So both of these are done. So here we will be writing as a file dot close, and yeah, we can just run this guy. One error is there, which is that okay, semicolon. So now control S we will be putting. Now run this thing up, g++ rd13.cpp. So this is what we will be writing, a tab. Okay, so we are getting here till 10. Let's see the Euler. So here you see the Euler. Click on it. Okay, so these are the plots we have got. So now we have to plot it in our basically GNU, right? So what we'll do is here I will be writing in here as plotting. So this we will be doing the GNU plotting. So the first thing which we are going to write is basically where we have stored our this file. So we have stored it in here as so here we have stored it. So what I will do is Control C, and then I will putting in here as Control V, and then changing the slash, and then here we'll be doing this. Okay, so now it has recognized. Now we will be writing our main commands. So we will write as set title Euler method solution first order differential equation EQN. So this is what we will be writing, and then set x label x, and then set y label y, and then set grid, and then plot Euler.dat using 1:2 with line points title yx. So this is what we have done, and then now we will open the GNU plot of ours. So this I will so this is the output we will be getting. So here, so this I will copy, Control C, so paste. So now it is reading. Now you copy this thing, Control C, line points title. Something is missing, I think. Wait. Let me rewrite this thing again. Okay, I forgot the S part. Okay, line points, lines points, title yx. So now it should run. So yeah, we have got this plot. So now you can plot it like this. So this is what the equation was all about, solving it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep on learning. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe. And have the power